Now to a new strike here in the U.S., and it is sweeping tonight. More than 75,000 healthcare workers for Kaiser Permanente walking off the job in several states and Washington, D.C. Kaiser provides care for nearly 13 million Americans. Here's Matt Gutman.
Tonight, more than 75,000 healthcare workers walking off the job in multiple states, the union coalition calling it the largest healthcare worker strike in U.S. history.
Why are we here? Patient care!
They're picketing Kaiser Permanente, the company that provides healthcare for nearly 13 million people.
Who's got the power?
Workers from California, Oregon, and Washington state to Colorado and Virginia and Washington, D.C. are fighting for increased pay and against what they say are unfair labor practices and unsafe staffing levels. Respiratory therapist David Boston telling me,
we're working, one respiratory therapist that should be doing the job of 2 or 3.
Crystal Dunn works in the optometry department. She says she has to work side jobs to make ends meet.
I can't even cover outside of my rent, everything else that I need, groceries and food, to just toiletries, different things like that.
The strike set to last for 3 days in the West and 1 day in the East. Doctors are not striking, though, and Kaiser is using temporary workers in place of its employees who are.
David, Kaiser says even though those temporary workers have stepped in, that hasn't compromised patient care. Kaiser also says that it is committed to reaching a new agreement. I'm told both sides are negotiating round the clock. David.
Matt Gutman right there with the picket lines behind him. Matt, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.